The topic of seminar presentation is data collection. It is presented by me, Dr. Abhinav Vyas, MD Scholar Part 2, Department of Mathematics, and Dr. Anchal Khanna, MD Scholar Part 2, Department of Repertory. First, we start from its introduction. From grammatical point, datum means singular and data is a plural word. Data. A dictionary defines data as facts or figure from which conclusion may be drawn. A collective recording of observation, either numerical or otherwise, is called data. It is a definition of data. Statistics is a tool for converting data into, but there are some questions like, but where then does data come from? How is it gathered? How do we ensure it's accurate? Is the data reliable? Is it representative of the population from which it was drawn? Methods of collecting data are direct observation, experiments, and surveys. Now we talk about methods. Mailing paper questionnaires to respondents who fill them out and mail them back. Having interviewers call to respondents on the telephone and ask them the question in a telephone interview. Sending the interviewers to the respondent's home and office to administer the question in face-to-face interviews. Depending upon the nature of the variable data, is qualified into two broad categories. First, this is the qualitative data, and second is quantitative data. In the quantitative data, it is divided into two parts, discrete and continuous. First, we talk about qualitative data. When the data is collected on the basis of attributes or qualities like sex, conclusions, cavity, excrete. In quantitative data, when the data is collected through measurement like arc length, fluoride, concentration, etc. In discrete data, when the variable under observation take only fixed value like whole numbers. In continuous data, if the variables can take any value in a given range, decimal or fractional. This is the picture showing quantitative and qualitative data. In quantitative data, there is number, breadth, generalizability. In qualitative, there is words, depth, specific. Quantitative methods and qualitative methods. In quantitative, there are surveys, questionnaires, tests, existing databases. In qualitative, there is focus groups and unstructured interviews, unstructured observations. Common data collection methods are survey, case study, interview, observation, group assessment, expert or peer reviews, portfolio reviews, testimonials, tests, photographs, video tapes, slides, diaries, journals, logs, documents review and analysis. Now the question arises, are the data reliable and valid? Validity. Are you measuring what you think you are measuring? And reliability, if someone was measured again using the same instrument, would it produce the same results? These are the some questions arises in our mind. The main source of the data are surveys, experiments, records in OPD. Data can be collected through either primary source or secondary source. Primary source, here the data is obtained from the investigator himself. This is a first hand information. Advantage of primary source are precise information and reliable. Disadvantages are time consuming and expensive. Primary data can be obtained using direct personal, oral health examination and questionnaire method. Secondary source. The data already recorded is utilized to serve the purpose of the objective of the study. For example, the records of OPD of the dental clinics. Data gathering techniques, observation and questioning. These are the two data Cognitive, paper and pencil. Affective is interview, and psychomotor is observation. Thank you.